Okay, so nke mbụ bụ na anyị na-ahụ Chukwu n'anya. Nke ịbụọ bụ anyị na-asọpụrụ ndị okenye na ndị mụrụ anyị. What that means is that we honor our elders and our parents. Anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye na ndị mụrụ anyị. Nke ịtọ bụ na anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike. We are hardworking people. The Igbo man is a hardworking individual. I'm sure you can testify to that about your parents that you're looking up to as parents. We are hardworking people. We work hard. Number 4, anyị na-enwe obiọma ya na inye aka. We help a lot. We always want to extend charity to our neighbor. We want to support. We want to help. So that's one of our pillars. We are good-hearted and we help. Inwe obiọma na inye aka. And the final one, ime onwe anyị na ime ezi omume. So doing good, having a good character. That is the 5 pillars that Umuoma Igbo represents. So each time we come to class, I want us to come with this consciousness that anyị hụrụ Chukwu n'anya, anyị na-asọpụrụ okenye na ndị mụrụ anyị, anyị na-arụsi ọrụ ike, anyị nwere obiọma na-enye aka, anyị ma onwe anyị na-eme ezi omume. We know ourselves, we know our identity, and we have a good character. Okay, so I would like us to write this in our notes and always have this consciousness anytime we come to class. So the next thing we want to do is to introduce ourselves. We want to introduce ourselves. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Some of these characters are distorted, but I'm sure you can see most of it. So I'm going to start. The first thing you do whenever you meet someone is usually, as a courtesy, is to introduce yourself. So this is our first class, and we're going to run through introduction and how we introduce ourselves in Igbo. I'm sure I'm taking it for granted that you're here with your Igbo book and you're here with your pen or pencil for writing. If that's the case, give me a thumbs up. If you have your notes and you have your pen and you're writing, give me a thumbs up. Good, good. Adema. Okay. Let me start with myself. Nkowa Onwe, it means self-introduction. And whenever you want to introduce yourself, is the first thing you do is to greet. Hello. Ndewo. That's how we say hello in Igbo. Ndewo. Aham bụ Coach Noni. Adị m afọ 9. Ebi m na USA. Abụ m onye Anambra State. Anọ m na klaasị nke 10. Ihe na-amasị m ime bụ ịkụziri ụmụaka akwụkwọ. Obi dị m aṅụrị maka iso Umuoma Igbo Academy. So these are the 7 prompts we are going to use to introduce ourselves. I mean, there are more, but we can use this as a starter. So starting with, who wants to go first? Hey, Aya, Galunga, let's hear you. Unmute yourself and Kowala and Onwe.
Oh, I don't think that I was muted in the beginning. Wait, can you hear me?
Sure.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Ndewo. Aham bụ Beluchi. How do you say number 3?
Adem Afo. Number 2 is Adem Afo.
Oh, okay. Adem Afo. What does that mean?
It means you're trying to tell us how old you are.
Okay. Adem Afo. 11.
Okay.
Ebimna, Centerville, Ohio.
Mhm.
Abum onye adazinuku. Ano how do you say number 5?
Anọ m na klaasị nke, like you're telling us what your grade.
Okay. Ano na class nke 5. Grade 5. How do you say number 6?
Ihe na-amasị m ime bụ, what do you enjoy doing?
Na-amasị ime bụ drawing and reading. Oh, how do you say number 7?
Obi dị m ụtọ.
Obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy. So
Go ahead.
I feel good about joining Umuoma Igbo Academy.
Amazing, amazing. And we feel great having you, Bell. Daalụ rinne. Okay, so at this point, once you finish introducing yourself, you end with Daalụ, like a courtesy to say that you're done, Daalụ. And everyone will unmute and say no with the person's name. So that's how we're going to flow. So we unmute and we say no. When you hear the person say Daalụ, we unmute and say no to we unmute and say no with the person's name, okay? So what do we say to Bello?
No. No. No.
No, yeah. You say attach the name. No, Bello. So that
No,
is
bello.
so you need to make sure you're listening so that you can get the person's name. Okay, let's move over to the next person. Masi, biko kọwala anyị onwe gị.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Masichukwu. Adị m afọ 12. Ebi m na Derby. Abụ m onye Abia steeti. Anọ na klaasị asatọ. Ihe na-amasị m bụ nri. Obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy.
Daalụ.
Daalụ.
Nnọọ mmasị.
No, Masi.
Nnọọ mmasị. Nnọọ obi dị anyị ụtọ na ị nọnyere anyị. Nnọọ. Okay, can we hear Chinemerem?
Ndewo, aha m bụ Chinemerem. Adị m afọ 9. Ebi m na Southampton, England. Abụ m onye aka ọkwa n'Imo steeti. Anọ m klaasị nke 5. Ihe na-amasị m bụ ịgba bọọlụ. Obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy. Daalụ.
And the class will say,
No, no.
big boys and girls, unmute your mic and
Chinem.
respond to him. Nnọọ Chinemerem. Nnọọ
Nnọọ.
Chinemerem.
Um,
Ọ dị mma. Okay, Somto, ngwa kọwara anyị onwe gị mommy.
Ndewo. Aha m bụ Somto. Edema na Aradizog. Anọ m na klasị nne nke grade 5. Nne na-amasị nnebu.
Ihe na-amasị gị bụ ị na-agba bọọlụ, ị na-egwu egwu, ị na-ese ihe, ị na-agụ akwụkwọ. Kedu ihe na-amasị gị?
Ihe na-amasị nne bụ reading.
Okay.
Obi dị m
Obi dị m ụtọ.
Obi dị m ụtọ.
Okay. Obi dị m ụtọ isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy. Ọ dị mma. Gịnị ka anyị ga-agwa Somto?
Nnọọ Somto.
Nnọọ Somto.
Okay. I had to say none to one person. None bụ for a group of people, maybe more than two persons. When you have two or more people, you say none. But when you're referring to one person, you just say no. No. Ndewo no. You are referring to a group of people, two or more people. Ndewo, it can be one person or it can be more. But once you say ndewo, it covers one person. But once you say ndewo no, it is that there are more than. Once you say no, you are referring to more than two people. Okay? Ọ dị mma. Ekeka kọwara anyị onwe gị biko.
Ndewo. Aha m bụ Chukwuekeke anyị bụ. Ọ dị m afọ 14. Ebi m na Ohio dị na United States of America. Abụ m onye Aglụzibọ, Anambra steeti na Nigeria. Anọ m na klaasị nke 8. Ihe na-amasị m bụ ịna-agba bọọlụ. Obi m dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy.
Daalụ. Kedu ihe anyị ga-agwa Ekeka?
Nnọọ Ekeka.
Nnọọ Ekeka.
Nnọọ Ekeka. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye fọnụ? Excellence Omiyale. Excellence Omiyale. Kọwala anyị onwe gị ọna.
I have no idea what is going on. I don't know what's going on. I came in late. Sorry.
Okay, I'm not sure. We are trying to introduce ourselves in Igbo,
Oh,
and usually we have a template that we are trying to teach so that everybody would learn it. Have you seen this before? Do you know what that is? What are you seeing your screen?
yes.
Okay. Do you have an idea of what anything that you're seeing? Do you have an idea of any of them? Anything at all?
The only ones I understand is the one that have English beside it.
Okay. All right. Can you now use that English prompt to be able to read the Igbo and fill it in where appropriately? For instance, the first one is Ahambo. We're talking about name here. So you can say, that means my name is, you fill it in. We have
Mm.
Adem Afo, which means I am how many years old? You say that. Ebimna, tell us where you live. Where do you live? So as much as you can, let us hear you. Where you can't, put the English. With time, we'll keep working on it. Okay. Every other
Sure.
person started like that. Okay. All
Sure.
right. Let's go.
Aha m bụ Excellence Omiale. Adị m afọ 13 years old. Eb ebi m ebi m na eb ebi m na Niagara Falls, Canada. Abụ m ab- ab-
Abụ m onye.
oh, abụ m onye Osun, Nigeria. Where are you from?
Your class. Anọ m na
A-
class.
Anọ
Okay.
anọ m na klaasị nke grade 8. Ah. Le na-amasị m ime bụ ni playing piano, maybe. Um, um,
Obi dị m ụtọ.
Igbo dị m
Obi
obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro ụmụ nwan na Igbo Academy.
ọ dị mma. Nnọọ. Ka ha ya agwa Excellence.
No.
Oh, excellent.
Nnọọ Excellence.
No.
Daalụ.
No, excellence.
Ezigbo nwa. Nnọọ Excellence. Good. Good, good, good. So I expect that everyone should run through this, have it in your notes, and run through it daily. Use it to introduce yourself to your dad, to your mom. Keep practicing it. This is a basic, as basic as it can be. Because whenever you meet people, the first thing they want to know is they want to meet you. So you should be able to say it in Igbo. So if at all you leave this class, you must go with this knowledge. You must learn how to introduce yourself effortlessly. From Ahambo, you start with Ndewo, Ahambo, Adem Afọ, Ebim na, Abụ m onye. those things are basic and we must learn them. So if they are not in your notes, somto if kamfu note gị, kamfu note Igbo gị, jikwa note gị. Kedu ndị na-ede ihe na class? I can see Bello is writing. I can see who else is writing. Onye ọbụla ga-ejide akwụkwọ na pen. It is not okay. Me bata class, ideji pen na akwụkwọ. It's not okay. It's part of what we will use to assess you. Class participation. Ọ dị mma. Okay, so Nkene kọwala anyị nwanyị so that we'll go to the learnings. Yeah, Chinemere, well done. Cheluchi, put on your video and get ready to introduce yourself, okay? Okay, while we're waiting. Okay, while we're waiting.
Ndewonu. Aha m bụ Somkene Anyebo. Adị m afọ 17. Ebi m na Ohio, USA. Abụ m onye Agụlụzigbo dị n'ime Anambra Steeti, Nigeria. Anọ m na klaasị nke 200 level. Ihe na-amasị m bụ ịlalụ ụra. Obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy. Daalụ.
Daalụ. Kedu ihe anyị ga-agwa Somkene?
Nnọọ Somkene.
Nnọọ Somkene. Chinemere, asịgo m gị ọ bụrụ nnọọ. Nnọọ Somkene.
Nnọọ
Okay.
Somkene.
Cheluchi, ngwa kọwara anyị onwe gị.
Ndewo, aha m bụ Cheluchi Koliseke. Adị m afọ 10. Ebi m na Canada. Abụ m onye Mnachi. Anọ m na klaasị nke 5. Ihe na-amasị m bụ ịgụ akwụkwọ na ịgba egwu. Obi dị m ụtọ maka isoro Umuoma Igbo Academy.
Daalụ. Gịnị ka anyị agwa Cheluchi?
Nnọọ Keluchi.
Nnọọ Cheluchi.
Ezigbo nwa, nnọọ. Obi dị anyị ụtọ na isolo anyị. Ọ dị mma. This week anyị bidoro the foundation of Igbo language, which is alphabets. Anyị na-agagodi ị na-agbago na class. Ọ na-adị mkpa na before eleba enu na idobelu ebe ịgbadolo ụkwụ siri ike. So your foundation must be strong before you continue building. So I know some of us will be familiar with this already, but don't take it for granted, because everything that we're going to learn is going to be a building block from here. So with your class, we are going to go deeper. We'll go into things like vowels and consonants and diagraphs. But by the time we start this, we'll move from familiar to unfamiliar so that on Monday, very confusing or challenging. So in as much as now, ọtụtụ n'ime anyị, we are so familiar with this, We can even close our eyes and sing it, but please, let's be very, very, very remain a learner, because this is very fundamental. Chelu Chibiko, achọrọ m ka your video. I had done on a class without the video on, okay? If you are going to be in class, we have to have your video on all the time. And if you need to put it off, it's important to say so too, and we can allow it, okay? Ọ dị mma, anyị ga-ebido. Ọ bụ na ị mere ọrụ ụlọ nke izu ụka, anyị emego 10 alphabets already. 10 alphabets. How many of us can recite those 10 alphabets? We have done 10 already. Ọ bụ na ịma the first 10 alphabets anyị megolo already. Onye aka ga-enu. Onye aka ga-enu. Ọ bụ na ịmego first 10 alphabets anyị megolo. Imela ọrụ ụlọ gị. Your homework, you have done it, so you have done 10 alphabets already. Onye aka ga-enu. Okay, before we go into that, how many alphabets do we have in English? In English, how many English alphabets ka anyị nwere? Bello, how many English alphabets ka anyị nwere?
26.
26, very good. Chinemerem, how many Igbo alphabets ka anyị nwere?
36.
Amazing. Kedu ihe? Okay, so I nwere 26 English alphabets, but in Igbo there are 36 of them. And we are going to learn why, because there are more additions, and there are some things that are not in the English that are in the Igbo, and there are things that are in the Igbo that are not in the English. So, but either way, that what makes our language unique and beautiful. Okay. Nke mbụ, kedu onye ga-agụrụ anyị abịdị Igbo wee ruo na nke iri? Anyị mụrụ A to the 10th one. Kedu onye retele ihe anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka? Because our classes are a revision of what we do. Kedu ihe anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka anụa? Chaluchi, iletere ihe anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka?
Okay. Yeah.
Chaluchi, kedu ihe anyị mụrụ n'Igbo taa? Ọ dịkwa imutule emute ka ị unmute onwe gị ka anyị wee na-anụ ihe ị na-ekwu. Nne, kedu ihe anyị mụrụ?
Anyị mụ otu esi agụ abịdị Igbo.
Ngwa gụọrọ anyị ndị anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka. Kedu ndị anyị mụrụ n'izu ụka na our homework during the week? Kedu ndị anyị mụrụ?
Anyị
Gụọrọ anyị.
mụrụ A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Ọgwụgwọ. Mmasị. Okay, Chaluchi, kọọlụ aka. Ọgbani. Ọgwaga anyị ihe anyị mụrụ na the first 5 ka ọ gwara anyị, or the first 6. Anyị mụrụ 10. Gwa anyị the next 4 anyị mụrụ. Mmasị.
Can I go from beginning?
You can recite the remaining one, then you can run through all, the rest as well.
Yeah.
Are you seeing my screen? You can use my screen. We've done some of it, or we've done some of it already. Kede haimo. Somto, be getting ready. Ka gụọrọ anyị haimo n'izu ụka. Mmasị, oya.
Can I just go from the beginning because I don't know where she stopped at?
Okay, go ahead.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, B, H, G.
Amazing. Amazing. Biko kụọrọ ya aka, ọ dịrị izi. Kụọrọ ya aka. Isisi kụọ aka, biko achọrọ m ka m fụ ka aka gị si aka. Maka Igbo adịrị izi, biko nụ, Igbo adịrị izi. Ife onye na-asụ Igbo, ikenesie ya ike maka ọ dịrị izi. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agụrụ anyị ihe anyị gụ n'izu ụka? Somto, ngwa, Somto, 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 ngwa.
Please, can I use the restroom?
Of course, Cheluchi, you can.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Very good. Imela ọfụma. Biko kọọlụ ya aka. Kọọlụ Somto aka. Ọ dịrị easy. Usually the diagraphs are the ones that are 2 in 1. They are not easy at all. I can tell you that. So we'll learn that, slowly but steadily. Okay? Kedu onye ọzọ ga-agụrụ anyị ihe anyị gụ? Ka m kpọọ Chinemerem gụọrọ anyị ihe ndị anyị mere n'izu ụka.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, G.
Kụpụrụ ya aka, kụpụrụ ya aka, kụpụrụ ya aka. Ọ dị mma. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. I want everybody to be repeating after me. You don't need, I want to see your mouth moving. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
A, B, C, D.
Good. E, F, G.
E, F, G.
E, F, G.
E, F, G.
Now the tricky one. We, G, double G means, GB means way. You combine the two G and B and it comes out as way, way. The next one is G and he. You combine G and he and it becomes he. Then the third diagraph here, when I say diagraph, it means it has 2 letters, a combination of 2 letters. So the third diagraph, we mentioned the first one is GB, which is way, GH, he, GW, we. So we're going to run through the 3 diagrams now. We, he, we. Everybody. We, he, we. Again.
We,
he, gui,
Again. We, he, we. Okay, I'm unmuting. I'm going to unmute you one after the other. I want to hear those diagrams. Bello, let's hear the 3 diagrams.
ki, he, gui,
Again.
gi,
We. I said we, he, we.
gui, gi,
No,
gui,
no, we, not we. GB is we.
gui,
No, we.
be,
Good. We again.
be,
Again.
be,
Very good. We, he, we. Say it.
be, he, gui.
Amazing. Well done. Well done. Mercy, let's hear you. The 3 of them.
Be, she, gui.
Again.
Be, she, gui.
Koroniaka. Very good. Cheluchi, let's hear you.
Be, we, he,
You mix them all. Start again.
be, he, we.
Koroniaka. Koroniaka. Amazing. Somto, let's hear you.
Gwe, be, gwe, he, gui.
No, Somto, take it easy. You're doing well, but you have to take it easy so that you don't mix them up. Start with we, he, we. Oh yeah, let's go.
Gwe, he, gui.
Again.
Gwe,
We. Follow me. We,
gwe,
we,
be,
we. Look at my mouth. We, we,
gwe,
we.
gui.
Good. He.
He,
Good. We.
gui.
Amazing. Biko kụọrọ ni aka. Ọ dịrị izi. Ọ dị mma. The last person, excellence. Let's hear you.
I can hear.
Excellence. Let's hear you.
Okay. We,
Mhm.
the, we.
Amazing. Kụọrọ ni aka. That was a great try. Amazing. Okay, so I pronounced these things during the voice notes in the week. So I would like all of us to go back to those voice notes so that you will hear how it sounds. Igbo is a tonal language. The more you speak it, the more you know it. It's not enough to write. It's not enough to listen. The combination of reading, writing, and listening is your speaking. So listen so that you can know how to say it and say it well. I want to be seeing your video notes for each task. Minimum every day. Create time to do your task. That's how you build it. Mercy that is speaking today, when we started, she could hardly pick anything. But see how she's breathing. So, Somto, you can do it. Excellence, you can do it. All of you here can become an Igbo speaking student. The only thing you need to do is that every day, even if it's 1 minute, go and my voice note is no more than 1.5 minutes. 1 minute, some less than 1 minute. I just tell you, say this, just repeat it record it as many times as you can. Record it and send to me. I will assess it and give you your marks. Very important. The more we practice, the more we become. So this class, remember, Nnoo bụ ndị isi. So I ga-adị na-move steadily, and we want everybody to be running with us. We want everybody to be running with us. I know all of us are on different levels, but I want us, as long as you do your practice, I see those who do their practice, they submit on Telegram. You see, there'll be improvements. So for today, I want to make sure that everyone has copied how to introduce themselves. Somto, I never saw you write. Did you write? Where's your note, Somto? Your daddy and mommy, they know the worth of you being a culturally intelligent child. If you are in abroad, some of us in America, you see Spanish people, they speak their language. You go Indians, they speak their language. Even Rwandans and all the African countries around this is very, it improves your learning because you are forcing your brain to create a pathway for learning. So as much as you are doing it, it can be challenging, but the more you do it, you will see that other areas of your studies will be better. And of course, you will always stand out because you know your identity. So this is not a class to wing. What did I say? Unmute yourself. I said this is not a class to wing.
This is
To
not
wing.
a class to win.
To wing. Don't wing this class. Take it serious. And you will see that all your other classes, all the things that you do will be better. Okay? Always listen to your voice notes. Create a time as you're doing your homework when you come back from school. Tell mommy, I want to listen to my Igbo voice notes. Get your Igbo voice note, listen to it, do the little task there. Usually it will just be say so and so thing. You say it, record it, write it in your journal, and send it to me, and I will assess it. Each week we'll give your feedback, and we'll make sure that those who are doing their work will be recognized. So I want us to run through the alphabets we have done. We are going to run as fast now. Kedu Mkpuruedemede anyị na-afụ na board? Ọ bụrụ na ịma Mkpuruedemede dị na board, wenye aka gị elu. We just went through all the Mkpuruedemede now. So I expect that as you are seeing each one of them now, you can say it. Excellence, are you with us? Kedu Mkpuruedemede dị na ya? Somto, ngwa. Let's start with Somto. So see what we are going to do. We are going to do three things. You tell me the Mkpuruedemede. Tell me the word that is there, that with the Mkpuruedemede. Then give me your own word that has that Mkpuruedemede. It can be in the beginning, it can be in the middle, it can be in the end. I just want to make sure that you can identify an Mkpuruedemede in an Igbo word and tell me. Does that make sense? So you are doing three things. Tell me the Mkpuruedemede, the alphabet. Tell me the example on the screen and give me your own example. If you got that, give me a thumbs up. If you got that, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Odema, ngwa. Excellence. Your turn.
So I mentioned an alphabet, and
The
I
alphabet,
say what?
yeah, the alphabet on the screen. Tell us the alphabet, the Igbo alphabet on the screen, the way we recited it now. Tell us the Igbo word on the screen. Tell us the word that we used on the screen for the Igbo word. Then give us your own example that has that alphabet in another Igbo word. The alphabet must not start from the beginning. It can be in the middle, it can be at the end. But I want to make sure that there's an alphabet that we are talking about, that you have the word. Oh yeah, let's go.
A.
Mm-hmm.
Aka.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I
I'll
don't
give.
think I have anyone.
Who wants to
I,
take the bonus point? Who wants to take the bonus point?
Me.
Okay, Mercy.
maybe. I just found one. Oh, wait. Yeah. I just found one, I think.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
Amaka.
Of
Sorry.
course. Biko kwọrụ na aka. Biko onye ma ọfụma ka anyị na-akụrụ ya aka. Let's encourage others. Okay, we're going to the next one. Mercy. Ngwa.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, I told you to do 3 things, so Mercy. Pay
Okay.
attention to instruction.
I didn't hear what you said before.
Okay, who can tell her what I said? Chaluchi, tell her what I said.
You said that we should name the letter in Igbo, say the example in Igbo, and give you our own example with the letter.
Thank you very much. Mercy, Oya, over to you.
Be. Ball. Bia.
Kụọrọ ni aka biko, kụọrọ ni aka. 3 points in the bag. Ọ dị mma. Bello, let's hear you. We are going to the next one actually. Okay, Bello.
Che. Che.
Mhm,
Oche.
mhm.
Chuku.
Of course, biko kụọrọ ni aka, kụọrọ ni aka. Ezigbo nwa. Okay, kedu onye ọzọ? Somto.
De. Di.
Remember, the words don't have to be at the beginning. It can be in the middle. It can be at the end. Anything that has de n'Igbo. It can be a name, an animal, a place, a thing, an action.
Nedewu.
Eh?
Nedewu.
Ndewo. Is that what you want? Good. Biko kụọrọ ni aka. Ndewo. Amazing. Amazing. Ọ dị mma. Next. Cheluchi. Cheluchi na-agbanyụ vidiyo ya. Cheluchi m ga-ekpesa gị n'aka ma ọ mee gị o. Cheluchi mma ekpesa gị, mma ekpesalụ gị n'aka ma ọ mee. Agbanyụzina vidiyo. O ma ọ mee. Ngwa, gwa m. You are muted.
Efere ebele.
Biko kụọrụ na-ada aka, kụọrụ na aka, kụọrụ na aka. Ada m afụ ndị na-akụ aka. Excellence, ịkụ aka a, ịkwesịrị ịdị na-akụ ya bụ aka o. Ekeka, onye ọbụla na-akụ aka maka Igbo adịrị izi. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye ga-aga? Who is the next person? Chinemere.
Fi. Photo. Efere.
Kụọrụ na aka. Kụọrụ Chinemere m aka. Chinemere m. Chinemere nye m ihe ọzọ maka Chinemere m kwesịrị inye anyị another one. Chinemere m ọ gịnị? Chinemere m nye anyị the next one. Oya. Chinemere m ngwa.
Gi. Gee ntị. Mm. Gị gee ntị. Gụọ.
Kụọrụnụ nwa aka, kụọrụnụ nwa aka. Afịa bụkwa prof. Kụọrụnụ ya aka, kụọrụnụ ya aka. Very good. Kedu onye ọzọ? Kedu onye na-ekwubere okwu ebe a? So m kene ngwa.
Gburugburu.
Follow the instruction we said now. There's a pattern.
B as in egbe. B as in gburugburu.
Good. Kụọrụnụ ya aka gburugburu. Gburugburu. Very good. Ọ dị mma. Kedu onye ga-atrai nke a fịatụrụ obere arụ? Kedu onye ga-atrai ya? Kedu onye chọrọ ịtrai ya? Kedu onye chọrọ ịtrai nke a? Nke a fịatụrụ obere arụ, mana kedu ndị chọrọ ịtrai? We need to keep trying. That's how to get the game done. Okay, Chaluchi ngwa. Kedu?
Yi. Ya.
Ama m na nke a fịatụrụ arụ. Kedu ihe ọzọ nwere hinia?
Yo.
No. Weta ya Umuoma Igbo book. Weta Mkpuruedemede ka ndị nwere Mkpuruedemede ha. Mepee Mkpuruedemede gị ka ịfụ ebe ọ dị. Enwere ihe anyị ji wee mee ahịrịokwu ebe a. Gụọ ihe dị ebe ahụ.
He as in to fry.
Ese gịnị Chinemere?
Yeah.
Like what frying is in Igbo? Can't remember. Yeah, he.
Okay, amazing, amazing. Is that what you have in your notes, in your book?
Yes. Yes.
Chaluchi, is that what you wanted to say?
Yes.
Ngwa kọọrọ n'onwe unu aka, unu agbanika. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ike try? Ọ fịatụrụ arụ, mana ka anyị gaa n'iru. Kedu ihe bụ ihe a? Kedu onye ga-agbani? Kedu onye ga-try? Ekeka, ngwa ka anyị nụ olu gị.
Ọgụ.
There's a pattern. Ekeka, kedu ihe dị na bọọdụ? Kedu ihe anyị kwu?
Asị m ọgụ.
No. No. Kedu onye ga-enyere ya aka? Kedu onye ga-enyere ya aka? Mmasị.
Gui. Ọkwụ. Agwa.
Gị na-ekwu ka enwere onye na-agwa gị enwere ihe na-agwa gị n'azụ ebe ahụ.
No.
Enwere ihe na-agwa gị enwere ihe na-agwa gị n'azụ ebe a maka ịtọ ọnụọ iwepụtala anyị ịtọ ọnụọ iwepụtala anyị.
I'm reading my book for one of the home.
Amazing, amazing. Biko kụọrọ nụ mmasị aka. Amazing. Mmasị na nwanne ya ji power bike abịa na this session. Hey, I'm so excited. Well done, everyone. So we have come to the end of what we learned this week. I'm going to share what you will do for the weekend task. And I expect that everybody should do it and bring it and send it on Telegram. All tasks must be turned in before your midnight on Sunday. Okay? I'm going to share what you will do. So this is what you will do for the weekend. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what everybody is going to do this weekend.
Mm.
We're going to run through hold on. I think I have it.
Where do you get that from?
Can you all see my screen? I'm trying to scroll through. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so this is what we are going to do this weekend. We are going to write your name, your class. Then you're going to write and draw something that has any of this, all the alphabets that we've done so far. So you write the here, then you draw something that has and write what you drew. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to do that for till we get to the last one. E. Okay? And
Okay.
here we have missing alphabets. Based on what we learned, what are the missing alphabets? Fill them in, then write out the word, draw what looks like draw the word that looks like it and write it. Please do your task and submit on or before Sunday midnight.
Can you post it?
How do you
Yes,
submit
it's
it?
already posted. Is in the link that is provided for our materials.
The curriculum or something like that.
Yeah, the link that has all our materials is
Like
being
that has all the
uploaded.
books.
Yeah, not the that has the materials we are going to be using for the program. So
Oh, okay.
each week I upload your task, I upload your assignments. So this is what you will do for this week. Okay? Any questions?
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody said I don't know how to turn it in. Yeah, we have a Telegram group. In that Telegram group, after your assignments each day, you take a picture of your task and you send it.
I don't think anybody knows what Telegram is.
Really?
Yeah, some
now.
guys people are asking what Telegram is in the chat room.
Okay, who doesn't know what Telegram is? Okay, Somto. Okay, Somto, who is your mom?
Rachel.
Rachel. Okay, so I'll still share on this on the group. So every parent are supposed to be in our WhatsApp and our Telegram. So what we do on WhatsApp is to send out this information and for you to also tell us that you've done it. That's what the WhatsApp is about. We send you the information, then you send an emoji that tells us the date and that you've done it. So on WhatsApp, we expect you to do something like this. An emoji that says I've done it. And you write today's date. For instance, if it was yesterday's task, you write January. Since everybody are in different time zones, January 17. This is what you will do on WhatsApp every day that you do your task. Then when you come to Telegram, you are now going to submit your task in Telegram. Submission is on Telegram. Attendance is on WhatsApp. And what we usually submit are two things. One, the audio or the video of the task. You listen to the voice note and you repeat what instruction you were given. Then you write it down in your journal and you take a picture and send it. These are the two things you will send daily. If you do this, you will see how your Igbo will improve very well. And like I said, some of us may be familiar with these ones that we are doing now. But I want you to take it serious because the next time we are coming in is going to be, we're going to be putting it layer upon layer. Like you people now will be doing things like vowels, we'll be doing things like tones, we'll be doing things like consonants. But if you understand the alphabet, it's a bedrock for us to be able to understand ourselves. So, ị ga-adị na-asụ Igbo every day. Ị ga-adị na-asụ Igbo every day. Ị na-ege ntị Igbo, ị gee Igbo nso. Ị dee Igbo, ị sụọ Igbo. Ị mara na Igbo gị before ya na-emecha in the next 6 months. Ị ga-abụzi nwa afọ. Isi ị ga-abụ nwa afọ. Ịghọtago? So, ọ bụrụ na ị nwee ajụjụ, biko jụọ mụ. Ọ bụrụ na enwelu ihe na-edoro gị anya, ị jụọ mụ. And we are here to support you, to build you to be a culturally intelligent child. We will have Kahoots at the end of each of our curriculum, when we get to different levels, we have Kahoots to help us to understand stuff well. We'll also be doing cultural practices. We'll do oral assessment. That's why if you are doing your task, when we come to do oral assessment, it won't be easy. So number one task for everybody here is to make sure you have turned in all your tasks for the week. Each week, turn in your task. And if you've not done the one for the day, you can go and do it now and make sure everything is submitted before Sunday. You still have time to submit them. But all I need is for you to put your attendance on WhatsApp for each of the tasks you have done for someday. I have seen some of you that are doing it very well. Congratulations. Keep trying. Keep doing it. Keep showing up. And before you know it, you would have been a trailblazer. Odema, we are now come to the end of our class. How many of us enjoyed it? Did you enjoy your class, Chaluchi? Good. I'm happy that you all enjoyed it. Okay, what do you say to Coach Noni?
Dalo.
Dalo. Dalo. Dalo. And what do you say to your fellow classmates? Kemesia.
Emesia.
Kemesia.